Hey guys, how you going? My name is Dom and today I want to talk about the include keyword in Pug. So essentially, the include keyword allows you to include other Pug files inside your Pug file. And it's very useful when you have multiple HTML pages that share the same HTML. So things such as headers, navigation bars, and footers. That sort of stuff, and includes might be quite useful. So let's see how this thing works. I've got an index.pug file here. I'm just going to create a new h1 tag inside the body and give it something like a company name. Okay, and also make a navigation bar with a few links inside here. Make a new a tag, give it an href of something like index.html and have that be home. Do the same thing two more times for about. That'll be about us, and this one can be contact us, but I have the actual hash for the href here. Alright, so now if I was to save this Pug file, the output looks like this. We get that right there. In the browser, we actually get something like this. Refresh, and we get that. So now this navigation bar and company name is going to be repeated across multiple pages on this website. So we're going to use an includes to actually do that. But first, I want to show you what it looks like if I was to create a new about Pug file and just copy and paste all of this stuff into here. And then just have something like about as the title, and just have a new header tag below here with about us. Okay, so now if I save this and then check the browser, I'll just click on this about link and we get that right there. So we have the about page here. Back to home and we get that. So we're going to actually move this section right here, the h1 and the navigation bar, into a separate includes file, which will then be repeated across both the index page and also the about page. Alright, so we can do this by first just making a new directory inside this this project root here. Gonna call this directory includes. Okay, I'm gonna install all my includes files inside here to keep things neat. So now inside this directory, gonna make a new Pug source file and call this one nav.pug. Okay, now I'm gonna open this up. Inside here, I'm gonna put that h1 and the navigation. So I'll copy all this. Alright, and then put it inside nav.pug. Just make that all nice and neat once again. Okay, so now we have navigation inside here. Let's just put that back one more time. Okay, so now navigation is inside here. Back inside the about Pug file, under the body, I'm going to type this out. I'm going to say include, okay, using that include keyword, followed by the path to actually include. For example, in our case, it'll be includes /nav. So includes is the actual directory name, and nav is the name of the Pug file. You can do this with or without the .pug extension. It's up to you. Okay. So now I'm going to save that and do the same thing for the index page. Okay. Get rid of that and paste in include right there. So now these pages are going to get the Pug that's inside this nav file and just insert it right into place right there. So now if I was to save this and just check the actual console here, we get no errors. Looks alright. Okay, now in the actual browser, if I also refresh this time, we get the same result. So we see how the same thing is happening. However, this time around, I can actually go inside the nav.pug file. If I make a change inside here, it's going to change it across all the HTML pages. So for example, let's say I want to add a different link to the actual navigation bar. If I add a gallery to this, we'll say gallery and call that gallery. Okay. If I save this now, we should hopefully see the result in the browser. I'll refresh and we get gallery right there. Okay, so going back to the home page now, or sorry, the about page, we get gallery as well. So we're making one change and 2 Pug files are being updated, and that is the power of the include keyword. Alright, and that's how you can use include in Pug. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.